Alright, what's up guys? Back at him with the third vlog. So a couple weeks ago, I was playing with my phone and it broke. So now I'm using this bad boy. Yeah, no bueno, right? Yeah, it's like, so today, I'm getting a new phone. Let's get it. So I went on YouTube and I looked up the best phone, and then I found the Moto X. Right there. So let's see. I really want to get this Motorola phone. It's pretty cool. It's pretty customizable. So let's see. We got sweet. Just ordered it. The order just went through. Cool. Yeah.
Ew.
Okay. Now we sit here and wait until Nathan and David get here. Then we're going thrift shopping.
Alright, yo, it's cracking. Vlog 3 today. This is Tuck Daddy.
What's up? My name is Tuck Daddy. My name's actually Nathan. Hello.
Also, my brother came with, Gary Larson.
This is Gary Larson right here.
Yep.
Am I supposed to say?
Now we're at our first stop.
Yo,
Value Village.
Value Village.
Nathan, tell us where we're going.
We're gonna hit up the estate sale on Hewitt.
Yep.
Alright, so right now we're just freestyling in the car to this sick beat. Alright, just give me like a thing to start with.
What about sandwiches?
Sandwiches? Okay. Somebody came in and ordered a #1. Alright, let's have some fun. They added some turkey and added some Vito. Alright, let's go. The beat, about to get out the car. We're gonna walk real far, about 10 feet over to the door. Yeah, then we're gonna find some cool stuff. Then it's gonna be really cool. That's not a lot of money. Alright, let's go.
So, we kind of gave up on the thrift shopping thing. We didn't find anything we liked. So now we're trying to find a spot to take pictures. And so, we are at the marina. So, we went to Mountain Loop Highway to take pictures, and it's pretty lit. Children, don't do this at home. So we out here, about to start taking pictures. It's crazy. Like, we're at the top of the waterfall here, and it's crazy. It's just so cool. So we're done at Mountain Loop Highway. We came back to Everett. It's night, and we had to get ourselves some Taco Bell. Escopa. How was that? On a scale of 1 to 10.
Banging.
Alright, we're finally done. Just got home. About to walk in the door. This is the end of the vlog.
Yeah, see you guys.
Bye vlog. Bye.